Thanks for catching up with us. We are here, this is our second day in Kelantan, and we are just stumbled upon this market, and I think we'll find something delicious for breakfast. So Jay and I were out walking around the art streets, and there's this big market happening, and we found breakfast. These are like a pancake with peanut butter, cream corn on like, yeah, and sugar. Wow. They're delicious. I have no idea what they're called. If you know what these are called, leave it in the comments below. Yeah. Potato beef?
Potato beef.
The street art here is awesome. So the place we're staying is pretty much in the center of KOTA BHARU, and this morning they set up this big tent area for prayer, because I think on the map it said it's the Prophet's birthday. So I'm just gonna cross the road here. So they set up this big tent area for prayer. So when Jay and I came out of our hotel, there was a prayer session going on, so we were just walking around and seeing all the beautiful street art too. That was amazing. So now they are packing everything up. It's like they've done this before. It's a well-oiled machine, that's for sure. And now everybody's making a mass exodus out of the area. had a lot of fun exploring the area today, and it's coming up dinner time, so we are heading to Chinatown right now. Keep in mind that it is a holiday on this weekend, so we really aren't sure what's going to be open and what's not going to be open, so who knows what we'll find. Well, we haven't found any Chinese food yet, but we did find this pastry place that looks delicious. Tomorrow, Jay and I are leaving bright and early. So we're getting a snack to go with our coffee early in the morning. We have about an hour's drive, and then we are catching a boat to where? You'll have to stay tuned. So this is funny. This isn't as happening as we thought it was going to be, but it's about 6:30 and we're just sitting down now to have something to eat. And we're just having like a noodle bowl with chicken and noodles. Jay got a soup and I just got a dry dish. And we ordered tea and coffees cold because it's still hot out even though it's 6:30. So yeah, this isn't as busy as we thought it was going to be, and I don't know if it's not as busy because of the holiday or if they're open during the day and not during the night. I have no idea, but we found a place to eat, so we're going to sit down and enjoy. We are finishing up at the restaurant. We're going to be heading back to our little apartment. We had such a good day. We saw lots of things, met some really nice people. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as we did. Tomorrow though, we are headed off to somewhere fun, but you guys are gonna have to wait till the next video to find out where we're going. So with that, if you like this video, hit the like button for us. It lets us know that you like our content, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.